By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Xero for a new business. Start from your Xero dashboard while you are already signed in. In the upper left corner, click your organization name to open the drop-down menu. From that list, select Add New Organization. This opens the setup form for a separate business file inside Xero. Enter the details for the new business, including the organization name, country, and any other required information shown on screen. Take a moment here to make sure the country is correct, since that setting can affect the options Xero gives you later for tax and financial setup. Continue through the on-screen setup process to create the new organization. Xero will guide you through the remaining prompts, and when you are asked to choose a subscription, select the one you want to use for this business. After the setup finishes, the new organization will open in Xero. Next, click the organization name again and choose Settings. In the Settings area, look under General and select Organization Details. Here you can enter or update the business name, address, contact information, and any other available details for the organization. Fill in the fields that apply to your business, then save or continue as needed. Go back to Settings once more. Under Accounting, open Financial Settings. This is where you configure the financial year end, tax settings, time zone, and any other financial options available for your organization. Review each setting carefully and make sure it matches how the business operates before you save the changes. After that, return to Settings and open Chart of Accounts. Review the accounts that are already there and make any changes the business needs. You can add accounts, edit existing ones, or remove anything that does not fit the way you want to track income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This is worth checking early so that transactions post to the right places later. When that is done, go to the Accounting menu and open Bank Accounts. Add the bank accounts you plan to use with the business, or connect them if your bank connection is available in Xero. Make sure you are adding accounts for the correct organization before moving on. Now move to Contacts and add your customers and suppliers. This gives you a place to store the businesses and people you will invoice or pay. Once those contacts are in place, configure any additional settings your business needs, such as invoice settings, online payments, and email settings. Use the options available in your Xero organization to match the way you want documents sent and payments received. Thanks for watching. Your new Xero organization is now created and configured with business details, financial settings, accounts, bank connections, contacts, and related setup options.